All right, going to do some pre-market analysis today on NQ. Starting off, we have CPI today, so a lot of news, and it reflects in the charts. Starting on the hourly, we clearly see that. We have a big old Drake candle thrown down, swept out all these highs, data highs, New York session highs, London session highs. Looks like we're targeting these highs too. I mean, we've taken out every high. Every high. There's a high on the chart's been taken out, so that's why it's showing as a potential seek and destroy day. This one yesterday was too, and we didn't get it, but definitely today. Gonna look to take out these highs too, and probably gonna have a huge sell-off because we are gonna leave this massive imbalance behind. That's gonna eventually have to get filled in. So I'll remove all these drawings just to kind of run through these. So we have these highs up here from London session. Again, these highs, very prominent draw of liquidity. We swept out data highs, which were right here from yesterday. We swept out previous London session highs, which were right here. We swept out these New York session highs that I wanted to target yesterday, and then we're targeting these highs right here. So that's why this is such a prominent draw of liquidity. I think that is on the 4-hour also. Yeah, very prominent draw of liquidity on the 4-hour. So going to be very much looking for this to get swept. And then see it move down. We don't really have any high time frame order blocks, however, or we have this one right here. What am I talking about? Okay, so we have this high time frame bearish order block right here, and then we have this right here. So we have a pretty good setup going. But I'm gonna be looking for a price to definitely take this out and then see a very, very strong move to the downside to fill in this imbalance, because I feel like that's definitely got a chance of happening. But again, if we just start pushing up, I'm not going to be trading because there's going to be literally no confluence on going up. So that is pretty much it. 4-hour, like I said, this is definitely a prominent draw of liquidity on the 4-hour and the hourly as well. Hourly, you can kind of mark out this order block a little bit better. You can't really see it too much on the 4-hour. But yeah, that was a lot of news this morning. Obviously, this was pretty much on just a couple candles that caused this. So 8:30 news candle again. If price makes this big move and just continues to stay choppy, I'm not going to trade because I don't, unless I see this A+ setup happen, I'm definitely not going to be taking a trade. But price action these past few days has been absolutely terrible. I've been uploading so many TikToks and YouTube videos of me just saying trade recap today, no trades. So it's a little frustrating, but I mean, it is what it is. I'm not complaining about it. I'm not losing any money, but so that's pretty much it for today for pre-market analysis. I'll do a trade recap regardless if I take a trade or not.